Hi YouTube, welcome to another session with the motor mounts for the NYPPD motor mounts. I'm going to show you a little feature that is really cool. These motor mounts can be installed by leaving the spacer in place or by removing it. All you have to do is adjust how the mount itself is assembled, and I'll show you that right now. I want to pull the camera in a little bit closer so you can really see the detail of how I put this together. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are, we're nice and close. The way this assembles is you have the washer here. You just push on this the stud here and push the whole thing out, and you've got two bushings, urethane bushings. Okay, the location of these bushings does not change. Of course, this beveled in bushing has to go in the beveled side, and this little cupped coin looking bushing has to go in on this side. So these stay just like this no matter which way you decide to assemble it. What changes is which direction you put this portion, the pin and this cap portion. If you put it in with the long side pointing down towards the car, you will use it with the spacer in place, and I'll show you that in the car. But I'll show you what it looks like. You just put this pin right in through here, okay, and it'll look just like this. And then you have your washer at the bottom, so it'll be nice and long, and it'll fit down past the spacer itself, like so, and it will mount. It'll mount just like this on the car. This will all be flush. If you want to take the spacer out for whatever reason, personally I've taken the spacer out of mine, and I've been running it that way for about 7 months actually. You take the spacer out, you're going to have to mount this flush to the vehicle, and you're going to have to use 1 1/4" bolts. These are actually, the actual threaded portion is 1.4 inches. You have to use this shorter mount bolt if you're going to eliminate the spacer because there's less distance. The original ones, the threaded portion is 2.4 inches. I measure with this vernier caliper. Okay, so I'll show you how you disassemble. Disassemble again, you take off the washer, just like this. Push on the pin here, the dowel pin, and make sure that your urethane portions, really nice urethane too. It's 75A, nice and soft but firm. Stay. Then you turn it over, and you put the pin and the cap in this way. And there's the same distance, same amount of urethane, and then you put your washer on like so, and you have your square portion, and then you can mount it just like this without the spacer. So we're going to go over to the car now, and we're going to see what it looks like mounted with and without the spacer.